Meta's AI race to dominate OpenAI's GPT-4 just got exposed in court. Internal messages reveal Meta's VP of AI declaring, "We have 64K GPUs coming. We need to win this race." But at what cost? Allegations of cutting corners with copyrighted data, dismissive remarks about competitors, and a relentless focus on beating rivals like OpenAI and Anthropic have put Llama 3 under legal scrutiny. Meanwhile, the UK is betting billions to become a global AI powerhouse, and Nvidia's dominance is sparking a new wave of AI chip startups. From Meta's secretive strategies to the UK's ambitious AI plans and Blaize's edge computing revolution, the AI race is heating up. Let's dive in. Meta's AI leaders were intensely focused on surpassing OpenAI's GPT-4 while developing Llama 3. According to court-released internal messages from the Cadre v. Meta lawsuit, Meta's VP of Generative AI, Ahmad Aldal, emphasized the goal of beating GPT-4, stating, "We have 64K GPUs coming. We need to learn how to build frontier and win this race." Despite Meta's OpenAI model releases, its executives prioritized outperforming competitors like OpenAI and Anthropic, which keep their models behind APIs. The messages also revealed a dismissive attitude toward French AI startup Mistral, with Aldal calling it peanuts for us. Meta's AI team discussed being very aggressive in sourcing training data for Llama 3, with one executive stating, "Llama 3 is literally all I care about." However, prosecutors allege Meta cut corners by using copyrighted material, including discussions about leveraging the LibGen dataset, which contains copyrighted works. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has acknowledged efforts to close the performance gap with rivals like OpenAI and Google. Llama 3, released in April 2024, was competitive with leading closed models but faces legal scrutiny over its training data. Zuckerberg claimed in a July 2024 letter that future Llama models would become the most advanced in the industry. In 2023, the UK emphasized AI safety but has now shifted focus to aggressively investing in AI to drive economic growth. The government unveiled a plan for change, committing to boost public sector efficiency, establish AI growth zones for AI infrastructure, and attract £14 billion, $17 billion in private tech investments, aiming to create 13,250 jobs. Key initiatives include expanding public compute capacity, building a supercomputer, and launching a national data library to support AI development. The plan follows 50 recommendations from venture capitalist Matt Clifford, who advised both current and past governments. Notably, the announcement avoids terms like safety and harm, signaling a pivot from caution to prioritizing AI's economic potential. Prime Minister Keir Starmer declared, "AI will drive incredible change in our country," emphasizing the need for swift action to lead globally. U.S. firms like Anthropic and Cohere are already backing the UK's efforts. Despite being Europe's top tech investment hub, the UK trails the US in AI and lacks a tech giant like Microsoft or Google. The government hopes fostering homegrown hyperscalers will modernize the economy and enhance sovereignty, especially amid political tensions with the US and Elon Musk. Investors welcome the plan, but stress the need for cohesive policies, private capital, and faster implementation. Critics highlighted inconsistencies in current strategies, such as the net zero agenda, while others praised the renewed focus on AI, calling it a vital step to solidify the UK's position as a global AI leader. CoreWeave, a US-based cloud computing company specializing in AI compute resources, has launched its first 2 data centers in the UK, marking its initial expansion outside the US. The centers, located in Crawley and London Docklands, utilize Nvidia's Hopper GPUs for AI workloads. This move follows CoreWeave's $1.1 billion fundraise and $19 billion valuation last year, alongside a £1 billion, $1, 25 billion investment plan in the UK. The announcement aligns with the UK government's 5-year plan to boost AI computing capacity and establish AI growth zones, integrating private sector infrastructure. UK Chancellor Rachel Reeves praised the investment as a significant boost to the country's tech sector and economy. Originally focused on crypto mining, CoreWeave pivoted to AI compute amid rising demand. The company now operates 28 data centers globally, with plans to open 10 more in 2025, including 3 in Europe, Norway, Sweden, and Spain. CoreWeave competes with European AI infrastructure startups like France's Flex AI, Finland's DataCrunch, and Netherlands-based Nebius. Nvidia's rise has reignited investor interest in AI chip startups, including Blaize, founded by ex-Intel engineers. Blaize announced Monday it will go public on the Nasdaq via a SPAC deal on Tuesday. Founded in 2011, Blaize has raised $335 million from backers like Samsung and Mercedes-Benz. Based in El Dorado Hills, California, it specializes in AI chips for edge applications, smart products like security cameras, drones, and industrial robots, rather than data centers. That CEO Dinakar Munagala, a 12-year Intel veteran, told TechCrunch that edge computing is the future due to its low power consumption, latency, cost effectiveness, and data privacy benefits. Despite its niche focus, Blaize remains a small, unprofitable player in the AI chip industry, reporting an $87.5 million loss on $3.8 million revenue in 2023. That chip manufacturing requires significant upfront investment, Munagala noted, but he expects growth to accelerate. Blaize claims $400 million in pipeline deals, including a $104 million order from an unnamed EMEA defense entity for a system identifying troops, boats, and drones. Post-SPAC merger, Munagala projects Blaize will be valued at $1.2 billion, lower than rivals like Cerebras, which sought an $8 billion valuation but delayed its IPO due to concerns over reliance on a single Middle Eastern customer. Unlike Cerebras, which focuses on data center chips, Blaize bets on AI chips moving from data centers to physical products. Munagala emphasized the practical use of AI in the real world, contrasting it with the current data center-centric hype. The AI race is on. From Meta's Llama 3 to the UK's bold investments and Blaize's edge computing chips, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.